you answered. Hey, Sam, Matt Easton over here at Easton 123. I manage all of our relationships with our business owners there in Houston. Wanted to reach out to you personally because I don't think we've helped your team yet. Can I shoot you over a link to what we're doing so you can take a look when you have some time? Yeah, sure, because I was just stepping into a meeting. Absolutely. What's the best email for you? It's Sam at samsbusiness.com. Perfect. I'll send something your way right now. Thanks for taking my call. That's it. That's it. You don't have to try and sell them on that call because now they're in the web. Now we have a relationship. Now I can call Sam 3 days later and go, hey, Sam, Matt Easton over here at Easton 123 was thinking about you guys this morning. Man, there is something that everybody's having to deal with there in Houston. Nobody's talking about it. I took 4 calls on it this morning. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of what's going on. Give me a call on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Hey, Matt, it's Sam. What's up? Yeah, so a lot of businesses, and it's amazing, especially post-COVID because of all the restructuring that would happen, there's businesses with 35, 40 employees that they're either not using their EIN number for credit at all, and they're unfortunately using their own personal credit, or they're not leveraging it properly. How are you guys dealing with that? Not only making sure you're getting the funding that you needed, but more importantly, the folks like yourself that have an ownership stake in the business are protected. Right? Now we got a good conversation going. But I never tried to, if I could have 5 minutes of your time, sales pitch type.